Hey guys, BLUETTI is about to drop the brand new Apex 300, and we've got 4 awesome combos for your off-grid power needs. I'm sure one of them is gonna be perfect for you. Let's take a quick look. First up, we have the Essential Off-Grid Kit, a simple, reliable setup for your cabin trips or even remote work. Just plug it in and you're all set to power your laptop, Wi-Fi, fridge, and whatever else you need to keep things running. Next is the Solar Kit, a great choice if you're ready to go solar. Whether you're out at a research station or chilling at a mountain cabin, this kit's got everything you need to stay powered up. If you've got rooftop solar panels, the Advanced Solar Kit is the way to go. The Apex 300 pairs seamlessly with the SolarX 4K charger controller, giving you a long-lasting and efficient energy solution. And finally, the Ultimate Power Kit. This one's ideal for farm owners, campsite operators, or small communities who need powerful, flexible energy. So, which kit is calling your name? You can hop to your pick and check out all the details. Alright, let's kick things off with the Essential Off-Grid Kit, your perfect power companion for outdoor adventures and weekend getaways. This kit includes the Apex 300 power station, the B300K battery pack, and the Hub D1 DC power hub. Setting it up is a breeze. Just connect the Apex 300 to the B300K using this battery cable. And make sure to lock both ends in place. Easy, right? Next, plug the Hub D1 into the last expansion port on the B300K. And check this out, there is a handy mounting clip on the back to easily attach it to the Apex 300 handle. Now, power it on. Hold the power button on the Apex 300. Then, the AC and Hub D1 power buttons, just like this. And you're good to go. This setup can handle LED lights, fans, smaller water pumps, and even electrical tools like drills, grinders, and chainsaws. With 3,840 watts of power and 5.5 kilowatt hours of battery capacity, it's a true plug-and-play solution for reliable off-grid power. Want a cleaner, greener way to power up? This solar kit takes things to the next level. Here's what you get. The Apex 300 and B300K, of course, 2 350-watt portable solar panels, and 2 solar charging cables. To set it up, connect the Apex 300 to the B300K using this battery expansion cable. Place the solar panels in a sunny spot and unfold them. Match the charging cable's positive and negative terminals like this. And plug them into the XT60 ports on the Apex 300. And that's it. With solar power topping up your battery during the day, you'll have plenty of energy to keep your lights, fridge, laptop, and Wi-Fi running all night long. Got a high-power rooftop solar setup on your off-grid cabin and want to be fully self-sufficient? This kit is a total game changer. You'll get the Apex 300, 2 B300K batteries, SolarX 4K solar charge controller, and a DC output cable. To set it up, connect the Apex 300 to both B300 batteries. Next, select a suitable spot for a SolarX 4K. This unit works seamlessly with rooftop solar systems. It handles up to 500 volts of open circuit voltage and delivers 4,000 watts of output, making it compatible with most solar panels. Just avoid using it with solar microinverter systems. One more thing, for your safety, make sure to install a DC circuit breaker. While it's not included in the kit, you can easily get one on Amazon. Now, plug the SolarX 4K into the B300K's expansion port. With your rooftop solar setup, you'll store a whopping 8,294.4 watt-hours of energy, plenty to power your entire home's appliances, day and night. For more power for your farm or vacation home, you've got to check this out. This kit includes 2 Apex 300 power stations, 4 B300K battery packs, a Hub 1 parallel box, a Solar X 4K charge controller, a DC output cable, the P050A parallel cable, and the upgraded foldable trolley. Yep, rolling power on the go. If you already have or plan to install a high-power rooftop solar system, this setup is perfect. Start by connecting each Apex 300 to 2 B300K batteries using the expansion cables. Then install the Hub A1 nearby and connect the P050A parallel cable. The angled end goes to the Hub A1 and the straight end to the Apex 300. Do the same for the second cable. Next, mount the Solar X 4K in an appropriate location near your Apex 300 system and connect it to your rooftop solar system. Finally, connect it to the XT60 port of the Apex 300. And just like that, you've got a massive 16.5 kilowatt-hour energy system with 7.68 kilowatts of power output. Whether you need to run water pumps, electric fences, and barn lights on the farm, or ACs and water heaters in the vacation home, this setup can handle it all. And don't forget the trolley. Moving the batteries is a breeze. Just disconnect, load them onto the trolley, and roll them wherever you need. From powering a single light in your off-grid cabin to running an entire farm, the Apex 300 off-grid power kits have you covered. Pick your setup and say goodbye to power worries. It's time to embrace true off-grid freedom. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and reliable tech support. And if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to reach out to BLUETTI support. Thanks for watching and see you next time.